Do you want to add music to Facebook Reels? You can add a song to your Facebook Reel videos with just a few simple steps. Before starting, please like this video and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials and tips videos. I've also added some helpful tools and apps in the description. Check them out. To add music to your Facebook Reel video. First, open the Facebook app on your mobile device. Once you are on Facebook, tap on your profile picture or the three horizontal line menu and select your profile to go to your profile page. Now, you are on your Facebook profile page. Under the Profile section, select the Reels or Videos tab. A list of your previously posted Reel videos will be available here. From here, tap on the Create Reel button. A new screen will appear with all the videos and pictures from your device gallery. You can either record a video directly using the Facebook camera or upload a video from your device. On the editing screen, tap the audio icon on the right side of the screen. A pop-up screen will appear. From here, tap on the Add Music button. This will open Facebook's music library, which contains a variety of tracks to choose from. Select a song from the suggestions or use the search bar to find a specific track. Once found, tap on it to add the song to your reel. After adding the music, tap Next to move to the sharing screen. Lastly, add a caption and hashtags, and tap Share Now to publish your reel. Your reel is now live with your selected song.